Hello, my name is Stephanie, and today we'll be looking at, I'll be introducing Microsoft Excel. Okay, so to get this on your laptop or your computer, you can download this, or if you've already downloaded my Microsoft Office, then you don't need to worry because Microsoft Excel is one of the packages, it's one of the applications that comes with Microsoft Office. Okay, so to open that, just like we did for Microsoft PowerPoint, you go to your Start button, look for Microsoft Office if you've downloaded it, okay? There it goes. Just click on it, and then you look for Microsoft Excel, right? Yeah, there. Okay, so now this is the workplace of Microsoft Excel, all right? Now, there are a few things we have to get conversant with before we begin. The first is the tab. These are the tabs: the Home tab, we have the Insert tab, we have the Page Layout tab, the Formulas, the Data, the Review, and the View tab. All right. When you click on any tab, it views, you will see the ribbon. This is what I mean by ribbon, this whole place. Okay, so when you click on the Insert tab, you can see the ribbon. All right, and then when you go to any of the ribbons, you will notice that they are grouped. All right, this is the Table group, Illustrations group, Charts group, the link. Do you understand it? So these are the things you have to get used to. So when I say go to Page Layout tab, you know what I'm talking about. All right, and then the next thing we really need to know is how to add the sheets. How to add the sheets. Can you see my pointer? If you come down here, you will see that I have sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. To add another sheet, all you need to do is to click on Insert Worksheet. Okay? So all these sheets, sheet 1 is called a worksheet. A worksheet. All the worksheets put together forms what we call the workbook. All right? Okay, so all get used to it. Then, if you notice, Microsoft Excel comes, the worksheet comes in columns and rows. Okay, so we have like columns and then we have like rows. All right, and then the point where a row and a column meet is what we call the cell. So like here now, you can see it's on a row, it's also on a column. So this particular place now is what we call a cell. And every cell has a name, all right? Now the name of the cell is formed from the column on which that cell is and also the row the cell is on. All right? I'll explain it better. So this is how it works. Now you see this is a cell. It's on what? Column B. And on what? Row 2. Okay? So the name of this cell will be B2. That is column B on row 2. Okay? Now this cell will be what? D2. That is column D and row 2. Okay? Very good. Now I'll go straight to start to show you how to insert data. Remember, Microsoft Excel can be used for so many things. All right, but whatever you want to use it for, you must enter your data. All right, so to type into Microsoft Word, all you need to do is to click on the cell where you want to type in. When you click on that cell, you start typing. All right, so let's go. Now I would like to do a very small work. I'll show you how to, let's say we want to do a class. Can you see? I'm typing a class mathematics test, analysis. Okay. Now, if you've noticed, can you see it's all spread out? All right. That does not mean that I have typed in column 2. No, it doesn't mean I have typed in column 2. What it means is that what I typed in column 1, it's longer than the column. All right. But it's nothing you have to worry about. Just watch. If I click on column 2, can you see it's not showing? All right. If I click on column 1, when you look up here, can you see my pointer? Can you see the whole write-up is showing? But when I click on column 2, nothing is there. When I click on column C, nothing is there. All right. So that tells you that this particular thing was typed into the cell A1. That is column A, line 1. Right? So now another thing you need to know is that you can make your column larger than it is. How do you do this? Just put your pointer in the line between the column where you want to extend from and the column you are extending it to. All right? So what you need to do, just click and you pull to the what? To the right. As soon as you do that, wow, can you see what it looks like now? Exactly. This is what we want to see. All right. So this is where I will stop for now. I want you to get to work, enter all the details of a particular thing you want to work on, and then in my next video, I'll be showing you more of how to use Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much for listening. And please remember, send in your questions. And as always, I promise to give you a constructive feedback. All right. Take care. Bye.